Hi and welcome to the first episode of the basics of trading Forex. As I told you in the first video, we are going to talk about some subjects about trading Forex. This is going to be a crash course to get the foundation to know what the Forex market is and how to trade it. So it's going to be very simple trading. So in the first video I told you that we were first going to talk about what the Forex market is, and then we're going to talk about what a broker is, then we will have some trading terminology, and we will also talk about tools to trade on the Forex market, and we will talk about much more than that. I want you to be able to know what the Forex market is before you enter it. So this is gonna be a great guide for you. But we will start with this lesson, and this lesson contains what the Forex market actually is. So it's quite simple. We have a network of sellers and buyers that trades different currencies, and this is not like cryptocurrencies. This is mostly fiat currencies, and you can also trade indices, you can trade gold, you can trade oil, you can also trade some cryptocurrencies, but most part of the Forex market is fiat currencies. So that means that you trade, for example, euro against US dollars, or pounds against dollars or euro. So that's what we are trading the most in the Forex market. Who is trading the Forex market? So the ones that trade the Forex market is companies, it's hedge funds, it's individuals like you and me, and we have the central banks as well. So governments are also trading the Forex market. The Forex market is opened 5 days a week, 24/7. So you can trade from Sunday evening until Friday evening. The Forex market is also the biggest financial market in the world. We are trading like 6.6 trillions on a daily basis in the Forex market. And this is not you and me who trade this, it's mostly the central banks or companies and hedge funds. We are just a small part. You can say that 95% of those who trade the Forex market are these big investors, like the banks, like the companies and the funds. We that are individuals, we just a small percentage of this. We are like 5% of this. But the amount that trades on a daily basis is like 6.6 trillion dollars daily. So it's a big market. You can trade like 180 different currencies on the Forex market. The major financial centers are in London, in New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Paris, Singapore, Hong Kong and Sydney. But when you look at the Forex market, you have like 3 big times during the 24 hours when it's trades. So it starts for me, that is in Sweden, in the night, and then you have in the Asia, they open late midnight. So you have the Asian market, and then you have the London market, and lastly you have the New York market. Those are the 3 biggest, and that's what most of the traders trade during the day. So remember that. And the most traded currency pair in the Forex market is euro against US dollars. So this is just a short brief of what the Forex market is. I think you can understand now what the Forex market is. And in the next video I will show you what a broker is. So just a heads up for that. You need to have a broker to trade on the Forex market. And there are several brokers out there, and I will talk about them in the next episode. Before we leave, I want to talk about a service that we have. If you can't wait to enter the Forex market, we provide you with a service where you can actually take part of the Forex market without any knowledge. Because we have a service where we trade the Forex market with a robot. And if you want to take part of this, you can just contact me, comment in the comments field below, and I will show you what the results we have done since we started this service. So we started this service in late January, and from that we have done 18.85% in profits during February, March, April, May and June. So if you want to participate in the Forex market without having any knowledge, or if you do have any knowledge and you don't want to trade by yourself, you can join our service. The minimum investment you need to do here is $300, and we aim for low risk and long-term investment. So we are looking for this for a long time, and we aim to do like 50% in a year. Okay, so if you want to take part of this, just contact me or comment this video and let me know. So this is the first episode of the training. Now you know what a Forex market is, and in the next video I will let you know what a broker is. Thanks for this. Bye.